Hi, welcome back to Carmandos. Today we've got a Mercedes Vito in MOT failure with offside rear shock absorber. So we're going to take you through how to change the rear right shock. First thing we're going to do is remove the wheel, take the wheel trim off. 17mm socket, get the wheel off. As you can see there now, gives us clear access to the rear right shock. We're going to need a 21mm socket to remove the 2 bolts. Let's crack on with that. .21mm ratchet spanner, Jim. 21 ratchet spanner. There we have it. One shocker, the leaking oil, failed its MOT. Our new shock. Just going to tighten this bottom one up and we'll get the jack the axle back up. Send the ramp up a bit. now we're just going to get the gearbox jack just under the back and jack the axle back up. Need to keep in mind you need to wind up the spring while you're doing this as well. Always start it off by hand and then get you done. We'll just check it with the spanner. Let the gearbox jack down. As you can see there, it's easy as that. All you need to do now is replace the wheel. So the shock's on now, we're just going to put the wheel back on. Wheel on, torque the wheel up to the specified setting. Once it's down off the ramp, replace the wheel trim and it's good to go back for its MOT retest. Catch you in the next one.